Hey foodies, so this is actually going to be my first vlog on YouTube and today I'm actually going to try the Jolo Chip challenge. I know it's a pretty old challenge, but yes, we wanted to try. I wanted to try from a very long time, and my channel goes by the name of Celluloid Foodie. I hope this video goes really well today.
नहीं.
And today, to accompany me, I have my sister from another mother. Her name is Monica, and she's right here with me.
ये तो टट्टी है.
So we are going to try the Jolo Chip challenge today. Let's see who actually cries. The main thing is she has challenged me that she's not going to cry.
भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
The challenge is that she told she'll not cry, but
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
let's see if she really is going to cry or she's not going to cry. So yeah, let's go into the video. Flop scenes.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Okay. Okay. It says any last words. Any last words? If you have any last words, you can obviously tell right now.
Okay.
Okay, so Fear the Reaper, it says that, and also this is made with Carolina Reaper, the pepper, which is actually very spicy.
Okay.
And I've seen a lot of videos where they tell that we shouldn't touch this and touch our face or eyes, and if at all you people are going to try this, be very careful with this. So yeah, I'll open this, but before that, this box also has a lot of things written on it. Let me read out. So it says, can you handle this deadly chip?
Yes.
Made with Carolina Reaper pepper, and okay, it says created for the sheer pleasure of intense heat and pain. What to expect? So it also has that question mark stating what to expect from this challenge. Seeing the visuals, actually, I am not sure should I be doing this or no. It says short-term loss of speech, mouth on fire, impaired vision from tears. The last image that I can see is rest in peace. Do you see this? See, it says rest in peace. So let's see. I don't know. Let's see now. So I'm going to open this.
मैं आपका जीना हराम कर दूं.
Okay, after this, we're not going to touch our hand. Sorry.
Eyes.
It's my first video, sorry. We're not going to touch our eyes.
Oh my god.
Okay, so the look of it also is, I don't know, like, look at that spices and pepper and all that. Let's see. This is the Jolo chip. So we have only one chip inside, so this pack costs around 200 rupees, which is actually 199, so it's 200 bucks. And
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
let's do one thing. I'm going to just take a little bit of this spices and see how spicy it is. Even you take a little. So let's see who's going to cry first. I don't know if I'll be able to eat this. Just with the spices, I think I'm having a little bit of tears in my eyes. I think I should remove my specs so you could see. Likely shit spicy. Now you have to tell me, how do you feel only tasting?
I feel better.
You're
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, so we are going to try.
Oh my god, get me
She-
that.
okay.
Get me that. No,
She told me that she is good at spicy food, so I am not good. So I'm going to give the bigger piece.
no,
to,
no, get me smaller one.
I'm going to give the bigger piece to Monica. So I'm going to eat this much. And this is cheating, but I'm going to eat this much. And she told the challenge, but she's eating very little. So let's see. Cheers.
Cheers. Do you feel spicy?
It's actually not that spicy.
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो, बोला धक्का बुक्की नहीं करने का, आराम से लेने का. हाँ.
It's not that spicy that you can't tolerate. No, wait. It's building.
Have this. No, it's very spicy actually, to be frank.
It's building. I think you can see a little bit of. We'll see who actually drinks water first. Or take.
It's gonna beat you. I'm sure.
She already has tears in her eyes. Look at her face. I underestimated it in the beginning, but one side of my mouth is burning.
Okay, fine, have, no.
I'm not going to give up, guys. Okay, let's eat one more piece.
No, I don't wanna try it.
She's going to take a bigger piece. She took a very small piece. So, you have to take this piece. I'm going to eat this. Eat it full. Eat it full.
मुझे अपने घर जाना है मुझे घर जाना है मुझे अपने घर जाना है
Hey. She is actually cheating. Oh. She's wiping off the spices on a cloth.
हमको मारो, हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो सालो. हम कोई मंदिर का घंटा है कि कोई भी आके बजा जाता है.
I
Look
feel
at that.
giddiness, I feel giddiness.
No. She's drinking water. She's drinking water. No, Monica, no. She lost.
I feel better. I feel better.
Basically, I won the challenge. She lost. She could actually handle spice more than me. And look at her. Look at that face.
Oh my god.
I'm not able to talk. I don't know if I should show my tongue, but literally, one side of my tongue is numb right now. Eat that.
First, let me have chocolate.
She's going with the chocolate also. Let's see how long. At least she can. She went for the chocolate also. So Monica is total defeat. Please keep the chips here. She accepts the defeat. You accept the defeat. Okay, so she accepts the defeat.